Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a WireGuard server and configure it on an Android device using the WG Tunnel app. WireGuard is a cutting-edge, secure VPN protocol designed for speed and efficiency. It provides robust online privacy while using minimal resources, making it a great choice for secure browsing and data protection. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device and search for UDP Custom. In the search results, click on the official UDP Custom website. Once you're on the homepage, tap the hamburger menu in the top corner to expand the options. From there, scroll down and select the SSH option. Next, choose WireGuard Server. You'll now see an account creation form. Enter your desired username in the required field. Check the reCAPTCHA box to verify that you're human. Finally, click the Create Account button. A 10-second countdown will appear, and once it's complete, your WireGuard server configuration will be generated automatically. You'll now have two choices. 1. Copy to clipboard. 2. Download the config file. For this tutorial, we'll select Copy to clipboard. Your WireGuard server details are now stored on your device. Now, let's move on to configuring the WireGuard VPN on your Android device. Go to the Google Play Store and search for WG Tunnel. Download and install the app on your Android device. Once installed, open the app to access the home screen. Now, let's import our WireGuard configuration. On the WG Tunnel home screen, tap the ++ icon in the bottom right corner. A menu will appear. Select Copy from Clipboard. This will automatically paste the WireGuard server details into the app. Editing the configuration, optional. If adjustments are needed, tap on your server profile. Click the Settings gear icon. Select the pencil edit icon from the menu list. In the endpoint settings, enter a valid SNI before the WireGuard server address. Once you've made all the necessary changes, click Save to update the configuration. With everything set up, it's time to activate your VPN. Simply tap the radio button next to your server profile. The connection will establish within seconds, and your WireGuard VPN will be active. Now you're securely connected with fast, private, and reliable internet access. And that's it! You've successfully set up a WireGuard server and configured it on your Android device. WireGuard offers high-speed performance and strong encryption, ensuring your online activity remains private and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful VPN guides.